Cheers.
Cheers.
My name is Will Jaquindi with the Michigan Department of Agriculture and Rural Development, and I have with me here today my colleague.
Kyle McCarty, also from Michigan Department of Agriculture and Rural Development.
And we have a couple of glasses of soil, which is where you usually find soil.
Absolutely. That's the first place I look.
So, Kyle, if you'll indulge me, I'd like to sample these soils, but maybe just with our noses. The two kind of different soils, so we won't reveal the details. We'll see what you notice.
So it's a faint earthy smell.
Kind of smells like a damp basement to me.
It is damp soil, so I definitely has that approach to it too.
All right, so that's sample number one. This sample number two, obviously they even look different, but just using our noses. What do you got on that one?
So it's stronger, a little more robust, a little more boldness on the earthy smells.
Definitely. Yeah, almost like a little bit of spiciness, sweetness to it, but yeah, just overall, it's more fragrant, I think, right?
What's the difference between the two glasses of soil here?
Yeah, good question, Kyle. So what we have here in my hand, this is a pretty traditional field soil, corn, bean rotation, no-till, not a whole lot of cover crops. That soil, that's from a fence row, the edge of a field. It's kind of had continuous perennial living roots in it for probably the better part of a decade now, since it was last cultivating.
Okay, so I definitely can see the active roots that are here. Maybe a filter or buffer strip, right?
Exactly, would have similar characteristics. And so that continuous living root, that's just adding more life to the soil. More life means it's going to have more fragrance and more smell generally.
If I was a farmer or a landowner, where would I go to learn more about getting my dirt to look more like this than like that?
Absolutely, that's the goal. And so if you want to visit with your local conservation district and ask for your CTAP technician, they can come out, do some soil health assessments and learn more about your soil. Certainly, we have lots of great resources on our website at MDAR through the Regenerative Ag webpage and other departments as well. So those are great places to start.
Awesome. Sounds like a great resource that a lot of folks can get into.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining, Kyle.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.